Ever accidentally deleted an important email, only to realize it might be lurking in your Gmail spam folder? Finding that hidden tab is surprisingly simple, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Look at the far left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various labels like Inbox, Sent, and Draft. Scroll down this list if you don't see spam immediately. Click on the More option. This will reveal additional labels that might be hidden by default. Once you click on Spam, you'll see all the emails that Gmail's system has automatically flagged as potential spam. Take a moment to browse through this folder. If you discover an email here that you actually needed, simply open it up. At the top of the opened email, you'll find an option to mark it as not spam. Clicking this will move the email back to your inbox, ensuring you don't miss any important communications. By checking your spam folder regularly, you can easily retrieve any mistakenly filtered messages and maintain better control over your email management. It's a quick but essential habit for staying organized.